Eddie, it's nomination time, award season for track and field. All right.
Yep.
So no, awards are being given out and nominations are being announced. Right. This time we're talk about the Athletic Weekly Readers' Choice Awards for 2021. We have two horses in the race for two different awards. No, to be clear, this is um, a Reader's Choice Award from a athletic magazine. There's no money attached or no prize attached. All right, it's just a fun award. So
Yeah.
they put the nominees out there and their fans vote for them.
Fans
All
voted.
right. Yeah, and this is different than the World Athletics Athlete of the Year award. So let's make sure we differentiate that. All right. Now they have several categories. Um, the nominees are. Let's start with the International Male Athlete of the Year. All right. We don't have any Jamaicans nominated, but there are some names that we will
Yeah, rightly
definitely
so. Rightly
recognize.
so.
Yeah. All right. So we have Ryan Cruiser. All right. Andre DeGrasse. Mondo Duplantis, Jakob. Let's just go with Jakob Ingebrigtsen. All right. Um, Lamont Marcel Jacobs, Elliot Kipchoge, Gianmarco Tamberi, and Matus Eza Barshim. I think they were joint gold medalists in the Olympics high jump. All right. Karsten Warholm, one of the favorites, and that rounds up the male nominees. All right.
Mhm.
International females. We have Valerie Allman, discus thrower from America. Safin Hassan, the distance runner. Faith Kipyogen, another distance runner from Kenya. Sydney McLaughlin, Athin Moore, Yulimar Rojas, Elaine Thompson-Herah, and Anika Lodarsic from Poland. All right. There are a couple more categories. They have the British male and female athletes, but we're going to skip over those. And then we're going to go to the International Junior Male Athlete of the Year. We have Mikolas Alenkna, Jonathan Capital Capitolonic. All right. Guys, bear in mind a lot of these names are Eastern European or African. Arian Knighton, all right. Gabriel Wallmark, Tadis Warku, and Sasha Zoya. Who you think I will get the one then?
Alright. Tough one. I'm sitting on the fence. I don't think I can call that one.
Um, well, Knighton has been quite impressive with his times, but a to be honest with you, quite a few of
Hmm.
these junior athletes I'm not as familiar with. All right,
Yeah, that's the thing too.
yeah, I will not gonna lie to you guys, but we know what Knighton has done and his performances. On the other hand, though, quite a few of the international junior female nominees we are quite familiar with. All right, so Maya Askag, Silja Kosonen, Christine Mboma, Athin Mu again, Saga Vaninin, and Brianna Williams of Jamaica. All right, Mu. Um, I could see this going to Mboma or Athin Mu. Probably more likely Athin Mu. Brianna, good season, fastest under 20 for this year.
Hmm.
Also came home with a medal from the Olympics for the 4x1. But I think Christine Mboma and
In
Athin
Boma.
Mu, yeah,
Yeah,
have
leads the pack.
yeah, lead the pack. All right. Um, one is a gold medalist and one is a silver medalist from the Olympics in individual events. So I think that kind of stands up more than
Hmm.
the under 20
Oh, the relay
season
medal.
and the relay medal. We have to be balanced. We love Brianna, you understand? But it's based on performances, and I think the the fan votes. Fans can be biased, so anything can happen.
Yeah.
But
It's a
yeah,
Jamaican-based magazine, so
yeah, it's British
British.
actually. So that's why I have a lot of European athletes nominated in there. A lot of
True.
athletes that we might not be as familiar with because on the European continent, athletics is quite important.
Yeah.
So yeah, Eddie. Elaine probably definitely a showing a favorite in her category. Not so easy for Brianna. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, man, I share the same sentiments. Brianna, um, you know, I think she's just too young, At this level, she's still learning. And when you
Yeah,
look at the work that Elaine has put in, tremendous season.
yeah,
It's hands down, who should get the award.
yeah. Elaine has proven to be. She hasn't been the fastest athlete in history yet, for say breaking that world record, but she has definitely been the most consistent female athlete of all time, and that is
Mm-hmm.
definitely deserving of some reward.
Yeah, man,
You know what I
definitely.
mean? Yeah, and it's definitely been a special season. Honorable mention to Shelley and Fraser Price, of course. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
All
I
right.
think her input was very important in terms of
Yeah,
pushing
man. It
Elaine.
definitely, definitely. Competition was needed.
Was
Um,
definitely needed, right?
yeah, yeah, man. All right. Thanks for joining me, Eddie. Guys,
Man, no
remember,
problem, man.
yeah, remember, like and subscribe and check out Sports Down Limit. All right. I'll see you guys next time.